some magic tricks and we're gonna reveal them after the video. Why am I coughing? Orange is the last one. Guys, look how much we cost out this confetti stuff. And what is this anyways? How is this possible? This is magic, guys. But let's make a confetti. 3, 2, 1, go. Yay! Guys, we bought stuff that if you put it in your mouth, there's a lot of stuff in there. Yeah, and then you stuff in one tiny thing. And guys, first we take this, then take it out of there. This like stuff coming out of our mouths. Yeah. And it goes forever, but not really forever. Just takes like 1 minute. We finished it so quickly. We actually finished it in 1 minute. Now it's time for more confetti. Confetti! Wait, we have a little more. Guys, now Robert has to finish his revolution. Well, I get this confetti. And guys, look, I'm taking out the box too. Now it's confetti time. Confetti. It's all over Robert. Yay. Oh, I'm a girl with long hair. Put some long hair on Robert. And then, I'm confetti at you. Confetti at you. Yay, yay, yeah. Guys, now we're going to move on to the next magic trick. Okay, so let's clean this up and just throw that camera. Throw that camera. Okay, looks like we're almost done. Okay, we're done. One more piece. Okay, we're done. We're ready to move on. We're going on poking dollars with a pen. Guys, we're gonna do a magic trick with $20 bills. We're gonna poke a pen through a dollar and then we're gonna slide it off without making any hole or any rip. Yup. And let's move on. Okay, looks like we're gonna have some money and pens. Okay. Of course, money and pens. Guys, nothing is wrong with money. Now we're gonna put this in. Trying to fold it. Okay, now that it's folded, put your fingers through. Then do this. See what will happen now. Just push the pen through. You got it. Guys, look! I just poked a pen through a $20 bill. Now, let's try to slide it out. It's fine. Guys, look at the bill. It's totally fine. Guys, I did a hole too. Now, guys, the bill is fine. Guys, now we're going to reveal the trick. Guys, look, this is just a magnet. So when we were folding it and hiding it, we used our pinky finger to take it out. And when it was here, when we did this, we did. Oh, guys, watch how you make the hole. Look. Guys, watch how you make the hole. There you go. Put it in. You see? Push the pen, and you have it. When you put it at the back? Yeah, you have to, you have to put it right here. So Jacob, you have to lift it up a bit, put it where it is, and then just push the pen. So like this? That's how you do it. Now it's slide it out. Fish dollar 20 bill. And guys, this is the real pen. And pen in Italian is penna. This.
And guys, look, I'm gonna make the
look,
hole.
watch this, guys. Look.
Guys, look, I made the hole, guys. I made the hole.
Wait, what?
And guys, look, now I can actually do it.
Guys, look.
When I put it at the back, I
Keep it a little upwards.
guys,
watch.
Guys, look
You
now.
have to keep it a little up and then push down.
Guys, look, guys. Now I'm gonna do it. I put it at the back, push it, and then
Slide it. Wait, guys, let's see how fast I can slide without breaking the middle part. Oh, wait, let me try a little. Now I'm gonna do it the speed, but let's look. 3, 2, 1. Jinx!
okay, guys. Now we're gonna move on to the next trick.
Let's see.
The next trick is we're gonna.
Guys, we're gonna make the stack of coin disappear, and then the same stack of coin is gonna reappear. So coin in Italian is moneta. Okay, now let's try to do this. Okay. Guys, look, it disappeared. See? So
And
now Robert, make it reappear.
Guys, look, there's nothing in both. Now we're gonna make this reappear.
To it.
Whoa!
Guys, now we're gonna reveal the tricks. Okay, let's see. Guys, you know why it looks like a coin? Because we had one of this pretend stacks, and then we placed this on, and then I had this one, and I put it on. Then Robert had the other one,
And I pushed it.
and make it reappear.
But then they're both in both sides. Look.
But then watch this. There's another one. So that's the reveal.
Now let's move on to the next trick.
This is the last trick. Guys, in this trick, I'm gonna throw lights and he's gonna catch it inside the bag. So I have a light. Let's throw it in the bag. Chuck.
Whoa!
We did it! Now we're gonna reveal the tricks.
There were lights in here, and I just keep on pressing the button.
And this was a pretend finger with one of these little chips that lighted up when you press it. See, look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Oh no, guys, watch this. I have a pretend finger and I take it off. No finger left. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. You get it? Thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up with this red thumb.